In this video, we'll be showing you how to create customer groups and enable third-party billing in RepairDesk. Third-party billing is very useful for when you want your customer group to be billed to one person. Whenever any customer within that group makes a purchase, the invoice is billed to the third-party customer. Let's get started. To enable this feature, we're first going to go to the left-hand bar and click on the Customers button. From here, we'll select All Customers. We'll now be taken to the Manage Customers page. From the top, we'll select the Groups tab, and on the top right-hand corner, we can click on the Add Customer Group button. Now, we can enter our customer group name and the specific tax class that applies to them. You'll also be able to see the Enable Third-Party Billing toggle over here. Click it to enable the feature. Once it's enabled, you'll be able to fill out the third-party customer details. Clicking on the Additional Information section will allow us to add more information. Once we're all done, click on the Save button to confirm. Our customer group has now been created and third-party billing has been enabled on it. And that's how you can create a customer group and enable third-party billing in RepairDesk 2.0.